Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arshil Adin from Technology, and I am here to explain to you how to use Google Docs as a medium, as a platform for you teachers to create empty outlines, or in easier words, fill in the blanks for your students to enhance your teaching and learning. So let's go. So first of all, you need to click the blank over here and maybe name your document first so that you don't forget. So I want to name it as elements in poetry. So how do we how can we have fill in the blanks if we don't have table, right? So we are going to put a table over here. So I choose 3 by 5 table. So if I want to write the title, but it has 3 columns over here. So what do? I right click and I merge the cells so that I can have only one. So I can write the title in the middle. So element in poetry. Then I want to divide it into 3 elements. Def- definition, and lastly examples. So these all of these are at the left. So how do I put it in the middle? So tap this one and center align. So it is aligned at the center. So and then I want to highlight this as the title, as the header of the table. So how do I do it? I can press bold so that students know these are the titles. These are the header of the table. So moving on to the content. So first of all, I want to um, let's say rhyme as one of the elements in poetry. So what is rhyme? So I can say examples are repeated. No, it's repetition. Repetition. Sorry. The words are repeated. So then I leave the examples blank so students can answer it. The next one is rhyme. So what's the definition of rhyme? Words that almost sound alike. So the examples I also leave it blank for the students to answer. And then I went to have the definition and examples and leave the elements blank so students can answer that one. So for the definition, uh, the definition is compares two things that are not really alike. So for the example, one of the example is we hid under the curtain of night. So the elements I leave it as blank so student can answer here. So I've run out of tables. So how do I add some more tables underneath? So what I can do is insert one row below. Okay, so you can keep adding and adding and adding as much as you like. So I only want to add one, so I tap this one. Okay. So for for the next one, I want to leave the definition blank. So I have the elements, the examples ready for the students as a clue for them. So the next one is idiom. So then I write the examples. For the example, it is it's raining cats and dogs. So with these two clues, the students have to answer the definition. So in so basically you left some empty spaces in an outline. So it is like an empty outline for students to fill in the blanks. So this is like an exercise for the students. So how do we get students to be able to answer in this same exact document? What we can do is we share. We share with others. So when we share with others, I can add one of my students so they can edit so they can add the their answer in the document, or just wait for a moment. Okay. Or we can just copy link and send it somewhere else, such as the WhatsApp group of the class. So with the link, students are able to enter this same exact document and collaboratively answer all the empty spaces. So that's all for today. Thank you.